Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, original, official, authentic, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposters that use my channel content and titles while wearing cat heads. And this is Burgh Unboxing. And I didn't realize this was in the cart because it was kind of buried. I got one more quick video to do. So let's get this open. And you know what? They wear cat heads. As much as I love kitty cats, I wear something a little different. Yes, anybody can wear a cat head. Oh, the tab fell out. Let's see how you do this. How do you do this? Not supposed to do that. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay. Had it upside down. I'm not going to be happy if the battery's on this. But there's no evident way to turn it. Oh, there we go. All right. Here we go. Let's put this on. See, anybody can wear a cat head. But this is better than any cat head because this is the alien head. I am now George Senda, the alien from Pittsburgh, Centauri. Get the button to work. Alright, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this thing is very hot to wear. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry, or cool and dry. Stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators who wear masks and steal my content and titles, imposters or trolls. Here's the last of the Burgh unboxing items. And here is everything. I'll try the club crackers in a minute. And here's all the Amazon boxes that have to be disposed of. And this mask is not cool to wear. So thank you, Art Bell fan, for sending me orange cat food. Again. Alright, little girl's at the stairs being scared as usual. She was staring at me wearing this mask. I think she got scared of the mask. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay warm and dry, or cool and dry, and stay safe. And watch the sky. So bye-bye for now. I have to learn how to turn this off. Couldn't walk with this. She'd fog up too fast. There we go. Okay.